Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Hairstylist. I hope you all are fine and good with your family. So guys, if you are new here, then I would like to tell you that this channel is created for those people who have a craze of hair fashion. If you also a hair fashion lover, then you come on a right platform. In this platform, you can get latest hairstyles, latest trendy haircuts and bouncy hair dye color ideas for women and men both. And further, I also discuss about the hair growth remedies. So my beautiful and lovely sisters, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more new updates and share it with other peoples as well as your friends and family members. So let's come to the main point. In this video, I am sharing with you a latest hairstyle. Yes, I am discussing about the latest beach waves hairstyle which is most trendy in 2022. This hairstyle is also look for a short hair, but on the long hair it's look awesome. If you have a long hairs, then this hairstyle is specially for you because after wearing this hairstyle you look more beautiful and more pretty. So guys, in this video I am sharing with you several pictures of beach wave hair ideas. If you like this hairstyle, you can take the idea from my video and make your personality more attractive. So my dear lovely viewers, I work so hard for you, so please support my channel, and if you want to know more ideas, please tell me in comment section. I am trying to complete your request. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel.